Hi children, welcome back to the class. How are you all? I think all are well, isn't it? Are you all happy? Okay, I hope. Children, do we continue the class? Are you ready? I hope you are ready. So you should do one thing. You should open your textbook. Take page number 213. And when I teach you, you can write the words. When I write the spellings on the board, you should write it in your rough book. And when you watch the class, you should write the words in the rough book. After watching the class, you can read the lesson and write and study in the rough book. Okay. So children, what do we study in the previous class? We have studied how the earth, the stars all formed, isn't it? First of all, the universe, it is very big, but so many years back, means billions of back, this universe was tiny, means small. And what happens to it? What happened to it? It expands. At one point, it expands. It expanded. And some portions burst. And that portions, that portions that created the formation of stars and galaxies. Stars and some portions, they get pulled by the attraction of the sun, that is gravitational pull of the sun. They started to revolve or started to move around the sun. And see, these all happened not only in 2 or 3 years or 1 or 2 years. It has taken lot of years, so many years, change not in 1 or 2 years. So in the first time, the planets, these were so hot. So after so many years, as they started moving around the sun, and after so many years, they cooled and became planets. So I told you I told you about the solar system, isn't it? The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system. Our earth is also a member in the solar system. And I have shown you the pictures of other planets. That you have seen. So what happens to the earth after so many years? It has became, it was so hot in the, so many years back it was so hot. And after so many years, what happened? A crust formed on the surface. Crust and from that, steam gave off. And clouds also formed. Clouds in the making. And you know what do we get from clouds? When clouds became cool, we get rain. So it happened rain for so many years. And that rainwater got collected in the low-lying areas of the earth, and they form what? Oceans. OCEANs. And the other portions, higher portions of the earth, they changed into continents. 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 So this much we have studied in the previous class. Children, and how old are you? How old are you? 8 years? 9 years? And see, our earth is so old. And see children, do you know how old is our earth? It is, see, it has come, the geologists have come to the conclusion that our earth is about 4.54 million years old. Sorry, billion. Okay. So, our earth is 4.54 billions years old. Okay, billion years old. 4.54 billion years old. How old is the earth? 4.54 billion years old. And see children, how do we came to this conclusion? How do we know this? So, see, it is the geologists. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവിടെ കാണാൻ പറ്റും GEOLOGISTS. Say children once more. GEOLOGISTS. It is the geologists, those who have come to the conclusion that Earth is about 4.54 billion years old. And see children, do you know who are geologists? They are the people or the persons or the scientists who study about Earth crust and the rocks. അപ്പോൾ ഭൂമിയെക്കുറിച്ചും മറ്റും പഠിക്കുന്ന ശാസ്ത്രജ്ഞരൊക്കെയാണ് geologists. Okay, scientists who study about the Earth crust and its rocks. Rocks എന്താ? പാറകൾ അല്ലേ? ഭൂമിയുടെ ഉപരിതലം, അതായത് പുറമേയുള്ള ഭാഗങ്ങൾ, ഭൂമിയെക്കുറിച്ചൊക്കെ ധാരാളമായിട്ട് റിസർച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിക്കുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നവരാണ് scientists who study about the earth crust and its rocks. Who are they? Geologists. Say GEOLOGISTS. Geologists. Who are geologists? They are the scientists who study about the earth crust and the rocks. And which conclusion they came? What conclusion they are telling? Earth is about 4.54 billions years old. Okay. And see children, in the previous class we have studied our universe is so huge, so big. Like when it is say, when we think about our country and our places, പരന്നു കിടക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലങ്ങൾ, ധാരാളം സ്ഥലങ്ങൾ അല്ലേ, countries, so lot of countries are there on the earth, so many countries are, so how big our earth, but see earth like other planets are there, solar systems, galaxies അല്ലേ, നക്ഷത്രജാലങ്ങൾ, ഇതെല്ലാം ചേരുന്നതൊക്കെയാണ് പ്രപഞ്ചം. It is so big. And we already studied that Earth is a tiny or small member in the universe. അല്ലേ, പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഭാഗം മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മളുടെ വലിയ ഭൂമി അല്ലേ. So can you imagine how big is our universe? അല്ലേ, നമ്മുടെ പ്രപഞ്ചം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it is so huge, so big. And see children, actually, do you know which are the places? See, different places in your locality? Actually we don't know അല്ലേ. നമ്മുടെ അടുത്തുള്ള പ്രദേശങ്ങളിൽ തന്നെ കുറച്ചൊക്കെ നമുക്കറിയാൻ പറ്റും. But we don't know where are our countries, where are they, which place, ഇതൊന്നും നമുക്കറിയില്ല. So in order to see the places, how do we understand the location of places? Last year you have studied, no? What can help us? See, listen children. See, this can help us, isn't it? See, what is this? This is a globe, isn't it? What is this children? It is a globe. And see, it can move. It has a rod. See, and Earth also has an axis on it. On an axis, Earth, see, it can move. Like this rod ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ move ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും അല്ലേ? See, this is a globe. It can move. And see, what is this? What is this children? It is a globe and it is a small spherical model of the earth. And why do we use this children? We use this to find the location of places. And see, as we cannot show all the details in this because it is so small. So what do we use? You have already studied in the previous year. In the previous class you have already studied. We use, in order to see or in order to study, in order to understand the detail, in order to understand or in order to get detailed information അല്ലേ, വിശദ വിവരങ്ങളൊക്കെ കിട്ടാനും അതുപോലെ സ്ഥലങ്ങൾ അതിനുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ വിശദമായിട്ട് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് what do we use? We use a map. See, this is a map. See, this is the map of our own dearest motherland, India. Okay. See children, so what is this? This is a map. It is a flat representation of the earth or a part of it. അല്ലേ ഓരോ സ്ഥലങ്ങളുടെയൊക്കെ represent ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് കേട്ടോ. This is the map of India and you can see different states names are written. Isn't it, children? And see here our state Kerala. Can you see? See here Kerala's. Here Kerala. Isn't it? Do you see? So from a globe, by using a globe, we can understand the location of places. And when we use a map, we can understand the detailed information about places or countries by using a map. Children, and see children, and also we have studied the equator. Okay, what is the equator? Last year we have studied, no? We have studied. See children, when we use a globe, we can see there is a middle central line. Okay? Globe ഒരു central line നമുക്ക് കാണാം അല്ലേ? Here is a central line. That is the equator. See, like this, there is an imaginary line on the earth also at the center of the earth. അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം പഠിച്ചതാണ്. See children, we have studied last year also the equator, the largest line of latitude you have studied. See, the equator divides the earth into two, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. We have already studied last year. See, the equator right around the middle of the earth. And the equator divides the earth into two halves, that is northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം നോർത്തേൺ ആൻഡ് സദേൺ നോർത്തേൺ പോർഷൻ മുകൾ ഭാഗം അല്ലേ. ഇപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ വി ഹാവ് ഓൾറെഡി സ്റ്റഡി ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചതാണ്. See, suppose this is our earth, this is the equator. This is equator and this side is the northern. This is the northern hemisphere. Okay, northern hemisphere. HEMISPHER. Northern hemisphere. And see, this is the southern hemisphere. Okay, southern hemisphere. HEMISPHER. These all you have studied last year. The equator runs along the middle portion of the earth. This is equator. EQUATOR. These all you have studied last year, isn't it? So children, in the previous class we were studying about how the earth and other planets, stars, these all formed. And see, today what do we have studied? We have studied the earth is about the how old is our earth. How old is our earth? Earth is about 4.54 billion years old. And how do we know that? The geologist, the scientists who studied about the earth's crust and rocks, they have come to the conclusion that earth is 4.54 billion years old. And in order to find out places or to see the location, ഓരോ സ്ഥലങ്ങളുടെ സ്ഥാനം അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ we use a globe. A globe is a small spherical model of the earth, and as we cannot see all the places, cannot show all the places in detail on a globe as it is small, we use a flat representation of the earth. That what is that? That is maps. And and also last year you have studied the equator. ഭൂമധ്യരേഖ എന്ന് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയും. The equator, see, this equator divides the earth into two halves. രണ്ട് ഭാഗങ്ങളായിട്ട് തിരിക്കും. മുകൾ ഭാഗം northern hemisphere and the bottom താഴെ southern hemisphere. These all we have studied today. I hope you understood well. Am I right? And if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, you should clear your doubts when you read. Okay children, you should do one thing. You should read the lesson, that is page number 213, Which page? 213. 5 times today itself. And you should write these words 5 times in your rough book. Geologist, equator, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. And see, globe and map, the definition is given in page number 213. Latitudes and longitudes are heading എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. About latitudes and longitudes we can study in the next class. Okay, they are imaginary lines. നമ്മൾ സ്ഥലങ്ങളൊക്കെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് സ്ഥലങ്ങളുടെ ലൊക്കേഷൻ അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് we take imaginary lines of references. അങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന imaginary lines ആണ് longitudes latitudes. About longitudes and latitudes we can study in detail in the next class. Okay, now it is time to wind up the class. Be safe children. Thank you.